So today I'm going to show you how to punch zoom in Premiere Pro. I'm going to show you two different ways that you can do this. I'll just show you our clip first so you know what the original looks like. It's just kind of this time lapse of this street. I'm going to go back to the start. And the first way I'm going to show you is we're just going to cut some clips like so. So now we have two different selections here. We're just going to have our first one as 100. And then I'm just going to change the scale of the second clip in our effects controls panel, like so. And then I'm going to change the scale on this one another 20 points, or maybe we'll do it another 30 since that's what we did the first time. And if we play the clip back, you're going to see that it now goes like that. That's how it punches in. Now there's another way that we can do this if we just undo the cutting that we've done and we just go back, click on our clip, go into our effects control, and we go and do some keyframes. So if we go into our scale option here and we click scale, we click our little timer here to add in our first keyframe. I'm going to go down here and change this to 01, and I'm now going to make this one 130, and then I'm going to go back down here, change the time again just to move along. I'm just doing it in even increments. You can do it however you like. I'm just going to put in 160 for this clip. Now the thing to making this work properly is you're going to see that it's a zoom, and well, we don't want that. What we're going to do is we're going to right click on each one of our keyframes and we're going to click hold. So we right click, hold, and you'll see it kind of changes a little bit like I kind of think it's like a price tag. If you want to think about it like that, it's kind of like a pentagon on each side. But if you look at it now, it then just jumps in. We don't have this slow fade in like you did before the hold. So that's how you do a punch zoom in Premiere Pro. Hope you guys found this useful. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.